Good morning, friends. It's Miss Marie. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. It's the last day of March. So tomorrow will be April, the next month that comes after March. What sound does Tuesday start with? Tuesday. I need everybody's help to sing the Days of the Week song. Are you ready, Alaya and Sam and Benson and Emma? Are you ready, Ollie and Jacob and Nina and Stone? Are you ready, Carmine and Anthony and Mila and Colette? Okay, we're going to clap one time on Tuesday. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Thank you, friends. Yesterday, on Monday, we were talking about spring and all of the signs of spring that we can see and hear and smell and touch when we are outside. So right now, I hear birds chirping. I feel a little bit of sun, and I feel some breeze. It feels warm, warmer than winter, that's for sure. I hear the leaves on the trees rustling. Are there many leaves on the trees in winter? No, it's normally just branches and the leaves fall off in fall or autumn, and then they grow back in spring. So I have my mystery bag, and I went around my yard outside and I collected some things that I thought you might recognize that are specific to springtime right now. The first object is a plant. It's actually a weed, that's why I cut it, because I'm going to mow the grass anyway. But this was growing in my grass, and it's a flower with little yellow buds. And buds typically grow in the spring when all of the new life sprouts from the stem or a tree branch. So they're not growing all winter, kind of like hibernating like bears do. And then when it starts to get warm again, they start to grow new flowers and leaves and branches. So these are little buds, and each one will open up with a little yellow flower like you see is happening. Let's see what else we have. This is a pink azalea flower that fell off of my azalea bush in the backyard. You can see the petals. They have different colors of pink, some light pink and some dark pink. We have the stem. We have the stamen and the pistil in the middle. And that is the part of the flower that a bee would come into and take its pollen and travel to another flower and pollinate it. And flowers also bloom in the spring. though there are many different types of flowers and they blossom at different times. Another object I found, it's another weed. I picked it out of the grass. Who knows what this is? Dandelion. And we have the flower that's already budded and the stem. And what happens to dandelions after they have blossomed? Has anyone seen a dandelion that looks like this? So when it's opened up all the way, you can see the seeds inside the middle, underneath the little fuzzy part. Those are all seeds. And when the wind blows, all the seeds blow away and they land in the grass or on the ground somewhere. Oh, they're stuck to my shirt. And each little seed will grow a new flower. So these are all little seeds, these little fuzzy things that blow away. And that's how dandelions spread so easily. I want to show you one more plant that shows a good sign of spring. And this is my little peach tree that I have by my back door. And you can see the fuzzy little balls that are growing in the flowers. So each flower will turn into a peach, and we can pick them and eat them. Here's another fuzzy little ball. I love peaches. So I have a challenge for you. Your challenge for today is to go outside and see if you can find an object that represents springtime, kind of like the objects that I found. You can find 1 or 2 or 3 objects even if you want to use them in your mystery bag. But I want to ask you to choose just one that we can look at together the next time we have a call on the computer with the whole class. And we will do a little show and tell with the object that we have found from outside. So if it's a flower, make sure you put it in some water so that it stays living until we have our call. And you can decorate your house with it somewhere. Before we go for the day, will you join me for meditation? Okay, when you're ready, your hands go on your knees. Thank you so much for joining me today, Tuesday. I will see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Goodbye, Emma. Goodbye, Colette and Sam. Goodbye, Ollie and Carmine and Benson. Goodbye, Stone and Mila and Jacob. Goodbye, Anthony and Nina and Elia. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.